Good morning. Here we are at the bottom of the scaffold. I'll see you at the top. Hello, here we are back at the top of the church. Here you can see the concrete pad stones which have had to be put in for holding the scaffold up around the back of the church. They're on a ledge, but the ledge is at an angle, so we've had to put a pad in to hold the scaffold up, which supports all of this up above. As you can see, the stonework has all been cut out on this gablette for the areas of new stonework to be pieced in. You can see the stone which is cut out here. This is going to be put in with a new stone with matching the mouldings to pick up the old stone. You can see the difference in colour in stone. This is just dirt from carbon over many years from traffic and pollution, and that's the normal colour of the stone once you cut past the carbon. There's a view of the school and a good skyline view of Westminster, Big Ben, the London Eye and the Shard in the background. Now the stonework has all been cut out, as I said before. You can actually see a hole right through into the inside of the spire there. And these are the old fixings which clamp the stone together. They're a bit like staples, if you see, which hold the stones in place. Now, these are quite a modern way of doing it with regard to the material, because it was zinc, which is unusual. Normally they're iron, which rusts, so these ones don't have to be replaced. The stone is over there, ready to be fitted back into these places. Some of the stone has been fitted on, which has got to be yet trimmed in and made to fit. The walls, the walling stone, well this is Northumberland stone from Northumberland, and this walling stone here is from Godalming, and it's called Bargate stone, so that's fairly local. The stonework here has all been cut out and repointed, and you can see the new lime mortar, which is matching the sort of original colour of the mortar. I don't know if you can see it there, but in the joints there, that's the old mortar. So we're trying to match him with that new mortar. This area is a large ashlar stone, and you can see here the fixings. These are from the podiums or within the spire where the mobile phone mast is. So they're the platforms, they're bolted to the stonework, so we've got to be careful when we take these stones out, but it should be all okay. Again, you can see the cramps, they're called dog cramps. some of the new stonework put in. It's still got to be cleaned down yet, but you can see a big difference from the old eroded stone. Again, dog crumbs everywhere, but as I say, they're all in good condition and don't need to be replaced. You can see here on the Northumberland stone there's hairline fissures and cracks. These are natural faults found in the stone, but the stone itself is in good condition and is going to be saved. Further up there you can see an area of erosion, which is like a softer bed of stone, but this here is going to be a plastic or mortar repair. So that stone, the rest of the stone's in pretty good condition, so we'll do an imitation stone repair on that. This is the top of one of the 4 pinnacles, north-west, north-east, south-west and south-east corners. These are going to have big stainless steel dowels put in here right through to a length of about 2.7 meters, which will connect right down through. At the moment you can see they've only got small individual pins which holds it in place, but it doesn't hold the whole thing as one. You can see the Syntec anchor. This has been grouted in with an inflatable sock which is filled with grout. This is going to hold the pinnacles nice and sturdy. Looking up on the very top lift, you can see the top part of the spire from this level here is all fiberglass, which was put back on after damage from the war, I presume. So this area here is one of the small gablets. You can see these stones have been cut out to be replaced, but these ones are still intact, which we are copying to put back in here. So they're going to match that sort of side there. Here you can see lower down on the louvered windows up on the spire, stonework's been cut out, some stonework has been put back in place. There's areas here where we've done some mortar repair samples. So basically this is a mortar repair, that's not a new stone, but it matches closely with the new stone. So areas where we're not replacing stone and doing mortar repairs, such as areas like this which are marked, that is going to be the colour and the type of mortar used.